Guys, this is how you can deactivate your Instagram account. You need to place on the profile, then go to 3 lines, then place on account center, manage accounts, then place on manage account, manage, then here place on deactivation or deletion. Here we can choose number 1, deactivate account, then you place on continue. Here they want you to continue because they have said your Instagram account will be deactivated once you place on continue. That's all about deactivating the account. See you in the next video.